Hi guys, I hope all are doing well and keeping safe. As you'll have seen from the title of this video, we are going to be cleaning these dishes that have been long overdue and you all are gonna keep me motivated. So I'm gonna start with these plate cabinets. We really need these utensils for an upcoming party that we're gonna have very soon, so watch out for that. So it's early preparations just to get the workload reduced before the party is here. So this is just me, all hands on deck. The plates were so many and they were so dusty, but I just had to keep going. So you'll enjoy this part as I do the plates. I was done with the plates and I was so happy there were so many, but finally I got them done. So they're just here facing down so that I can pour water, and I want to transfer them to another place so that I can get enough space to do other utensils, because the rest thing I was gonna do is cups. So this is just me putting them there. Look at them, they're just clean. And so now let's get to the other part of this video. Now let's get to the cups. This is just me removing the cups from the cabinet as I transfer them to the sink. They were so dusty, but not that dusty. Yeah, again, reducing workload. So yeah. We're now at the sink and we're getting ready to wash the cups. As you all can see, there were quite a number, but I pushed through until I got the cups done. So yeah, enjoy this part as I wash these cups and break my back as well. So this was much later, almost 5 hours. I had washed a lot of utensils, from hot pots to plates to cups to spoons, thermoses, you name it all. I just washed everything that could be washed in the name of utensils. At this point I was so tired, but at least I had rested for a while. So now it's time to get them back to the cabinets, but first I had to wipe the cabinets. So yeah, so this is just me wiping the cabinets for them to get a clean home. So once I was done wiping the cabinet, I also wiped the utensils and it was time to arrange them back to their shelves. So this is just me returning the cups where they belong, and I'll still do the same with the plates. So just watch along and just see what's happening. So this was the last activity pertaining the utensils. I was just finishing wiping off these glass jugs and call it a day. So thank you guys for watching up to the end of this video. Thank you for keeping me company. Remember to like and subscribe. See you on my next. Bye.